Straight Talk Home Internet relies on cellular networks, making it susceptible to issues like no internet, slow speeds, and drops. First, identify the problem. Is there no connection at all, or is the internet just slow or frequently disconnecting? Common causes include router malfunction, account issues like overdue payments or exceeding data caps, cell tower outages, network congestion, distance from towers, weather interference, and software glitches. Use the Straight Talk app to check your signal strength, aim for above 70 dBm and data usage. Knowing the cause is half the battle. For no internet connection, first restart your router and modem, waiting 30 seconds before reconnecting. Next, check all cable connections to ensure they're secure. Verify your account is active and payments are up to date. If issues persist, contact Straight Talk support to check for tower outages. For slow speeds, begin by restarting your router. Monitor your data usage in the Straight Talk app to avoid throttling. Run a speed test using tools like Ookla to confirm your speeds. Minimize bandwidth-heavy activities during peak hours. If needed, consider upgrading your service plan. For frequent drops, restart your router first. Update your router's firmware by checking Straight Talk's website. Reposition your router by elevating it away from obstructions. Enable the auto reconnect feature in your router settings if available.